Hi, I am Bhavika Udaynani, a final year MBBS student, and I recently cleared my Step 1 USMLE examination. My journey for USMLE began when I was in a first year and I decided to opt for it. And like most of the people, especially those like me who come from a completely non medical background, I was completely clueless and scrambling to understand how to proceed with my preparations and how to generally just go about it. It was last year when I came across MOKSH Academy. I scheduled a session, and even without joining, they ended up clearing a lot of my doubts, and I decided to join the MOKSH Academy. Frankly, I feel this was the best decision I made. This platform not only provided me with video lectures, live lectures, or question banks and tests, which a lot of other platforms do, but they also provided with the guidance in terms of AMA or CV workshops and guest sessions on some really high yield topics. The best thing I find on platform is basically the concept of AMA, that is academic medical advisor. These are people who guide you through your entire process, and I mean, who better to guide you than the people who have been in the place where you are right now. Another thing which I really find interesting and good about the academy is the overall availability of the staff members to clear your doubts or any other issues that you have. Basically, it could be a subjective issue, it could be a technical problem with the platform, or even the most random of doubts that you have. You can contact them and they tend to solve your doubts as quick as possible. I don't think I would have made it this far without their support, and so I'm really, really grateful and thankful to the entire MOKSH Academy for being there as a support system throughout the entire process of Step 1 examination.